In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calculation query in Microsoft Access. Let's jump right in by opening the Microsoft Access app. If you already have a database, open it now. If not, create a new one and make sure the tables you want to use are available. Having your data ready will make the next step smooth. Once you're in, head to the ribbon at the top and go to the Create tab. Here, select Query Design. This opens a new query in Design View, which is where we'll build the calculation. A Show Table dialog appears. Double-click the table or tables that contain the fields you want to use in your calculation. You can add more than one if your calculation spans across related tables. When you've added what you need, close the dialog. In the upper pane, you'll see your tables. In the lower design grid, double-click the fields you want to display in your results. These could be identifying fields like an order number or customer name, plus any fields that provide context for your calculation. Adding them now ensures they appear alongside your calculated value. Next, create the calculated field. In the first empty field cell in the design grid, type your expression. A simple example might look like total cost, quantity, unit price. The text before the colon becomes the name of your calculated column. Make sure to use square brackets around field names, especially if they have spaces. Also keep an eye on data types. Multiplying text by numbers won't work, so confirm your fields are numeric where needed. If you expect blank values, consider using functions like NZ to avoid errors, for example, NZ discount. If you prefer a guided approach, use the expression builder. You can open it from the ribbon or by right-clicking in the field cell and choosing build. The expression builder lets you browse tables, fields, and functions and helps you insert them correctly, reducing typos and syntax issues. It's especially handy for more complex formulas like conditional if expressions or date math. When your fields and calculation are ready, run the query to see the results. Click the Run button on the ribbon, usually shown as a red exclamation mark. Review the output to confirm the numbers look right and that your calculated column is labeled the way you want. Finally, save your query, click the Save icon, give it a clear, descriptive name, and confirm. You can also use your standard keyboard save shortcut. Your calculation query is now ready to reuse, modify, or reference in reports and forms.